Hey everybody, so this is a Toro mower. Getting ready to do a little mower rescue on this. I bought this mower for, I can't remember if I got this at one of the yard sales or if I got this at the estate sale. I know I bought two Toro mowers non-running for 50 bucks for the pair, so it's either one of those two or it's one that I scored at the Boy Scouts annual flea market that they have every spring, which is a huge flea market. And they have a lot of non-running donated or power equipment that shows up there often. So if I got it there, I probably only paid like 15 or 20 bucks for it because it was non-running. I actually think it came from the place where I got the two mowers for 50 bucks because one of the mowers is much newer looking. And I think the story goes that this mower had started giving him trouble, so instead of getting it repaired, he just went and bought a new Toro, and that's why the other one was newer. I don't know the condition on that one either. It was non-running. But I ended up figuring out what was wrong with this real quickly, and it was so simple and silly I almost wasn't going to do a video on it. And then it occurred to me, well, we might be able to have a little bit of fun with this. What we'll do is I'll start it up because it does start, and I'll let you guys listen to it, and then I'll give you a little bit of time so you can make your guesses. And then I'll show you what was wrong, apparently the only thing wrong with this mower. Before we get into that, just a quick walk around about the mower. All right, so this particular mower is a Toro Super Recycler, all right, self-propelled. It's got a 6.5 horsepower engine. It's got what they call their total coverage warranty, guaranteed to start on the first or second pull. So this mower is a very expensive mower new. This is not the cheap big box store mower. This has got the cast aluminum deck, which is great. It's actually, you know, it doesn't rot through like the, I mean, it's not impervious to corrosion, but it just stands up better over time. Keeps the mower nice and light. It has this personal pace self-propel system built into it, which is kind of neat. The way this works is there's this part of the handle moves independently from the main handle, and as you push forward on this handle, it will increase the rate of ground speed. So the faster you move behind the mower, the faster the mower will go along with you. So it basically goes along at the pace that you're mowing. So, you know, at the beginning, when you're nice and fresh, you can be mowing quickly, and then when you're dog tired at the end, because it's August and you're cutting grass, you can go slower. So it's a convertible mower, like a lot of these mowers are now. They're convertible between three modes: mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Now, I know I have the bag for this. I know that it's in mulch mode right now because it has this chute thing inserted in there. And to convert it to bagging, you take this out and you put the bag on. I don't know yet how you convert it to side discharge. I'm assuming you can do that. I hope so anyways, because I get a lot of grass around here that I cut and I don't care about bagging it, so I just like the side discharge feature. So let's get right to it. So when I got the mower, I looked in the tank, and the tank was bone dry. So I said, you know what, before I go through the trouble of just assuming that the carburetor is going to need cleaning and everything, why don't I throw some gas in there? So what I did, this has got the mower safety feature. It's got the flywheel clutch, so this has to be in this position in order to start it. All right, so let's start this thing, let you hear it run, see if you can figure out what is wrong with it. No choke, you just hit the primer a couple times. That actually would have started probably on the second or third pull, but I primed it while the engine was hot, which was a mistake. So notice it's not coming up to full RPM and it's stuttering. So make your guesses now. We'll pause the video here for a few seconds while you contemplate what you think is wrong. show you. Watch this. Notice it comes right up. Running beautiful. So all that was wrong with this mower is a horribly dirty filter. And you know, you might even be able to clean this filter and make it run, but this filter is so bad. It's just not worth it. I just picked up a new filter, $9. It's a Stens 102-549, this particular one. You could buy these actually cheaper online, but last time I bought one of these online, see how this rubber gets into these areas right here during the manufacturing process? The last one of these I bought online, there was way too much of this. You can actually see how this is blocking this edge a little bit. See, it should be all the way up to the edge clear like that. And over here it kind of flows over. So I've actually seen, like I said, I got one of these in where easily 20% of that filter area was blocked. The other thing I've already done is I already washed out. The inside of this was filthy and filled with dirt. So now we got a brand new filter. Put that in. And since the motor's hot, we probably can not have to press the primer bulb at all. So we'll just see how many pulls it starts on now. And that's it. Probably the simplest repair I've ever done on a mower. Just gonna do a little bit of cleanup to it and be ready to go. Curious about this whole thing here. Got this tab you pull up on to unlock this. Then you should pull up on this one. I don't know. Oh, okay. Tilt forward on this. Okay, so if this lever is in this down position like this, all right, so I now think that there's a plastic chute that can be installed into here. Guess without that attachment, I can only use this as a rear bagger and a mulcher. Oh well. All right, so that's going to conclude this video. Hope you guys had fun with this as much as I did. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Take care. Goodbye. Hey, Aiden. You might want to step out of the shot since you're wearing flip-flops with socks. Very European, by the way. Socks with sandals, that is.